Give me something big here, babe. Come on, something big here. We need that major up there for $1,300 to get our day kicked off on the right foot. Upgrade be nice, mansions be better. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Stop, 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 stop. Hell yes. Hell yes. Never get this upgrade. Come on. Something amazing. Major. Super would be the best thing. Stop, stop, stop. Take super bus off, that's cool. Grand would have been absolutely phenomenal. Let's go. About some good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, only starting off with 2 woods and a bunch of straw, which means we need a lot of hats. 2 hats ain't gonna cut it. See what 7 Mansions is gonna pay. Alright. $18 and $9. Rare coin, rare coin. Actually aren't bad values. Coins, coins, coins. Big coins, big coins. Minor, $500. Right? I'll take it. A major would have been nice, but dodge the hand pay.